Hello, friends! Are you ready to explore some amazing IKEA finds? Today, we've got 20 incredible products that will transform your space. And guess what? All the product links are right there in the description so you don't miss a thing. Let's jump in. The Valtorp bench. This isn't just a bench, it's a multi-talented star for your home. Its plush, soft seat is a dream to sit on, whether you're slipping on your shoes in the hallway, adding extra seating at the kitchen table, or creating a cozy nook by your bed. But wait, there's more. Beneath that comfy cushion lies a spacious storage area, ready to hide away everything from blankets to books to shoes. The choice is yours. And with a gas spring lid that stays open on its own, you'll have both hands free to sort, stash, or retrieve your treasures. The sturdy metal frame gives it a slim, light look while ensuring it's tough enough for everyday use. Pair it with storage boxes like Scoob or Stuck, sold separately, to make it even more organized. Meet the Fröjda LED table decoration. A masterpiece of light and style. Its matte silver finish is subtle but stunning, blending seamlessly with any decor while adding a touch of modern Scandinavian elegance. Place it on a table, in your window, or anywhere you want to create a cozy, inviting atmosphere. The warm, soft glow it emits transforms your space into a haven of comfort and tranquility. And let's not forget its timeless design. It's simple yet sophisticated, making it a perfect companion for all seasons and occasions. Viskafors, the ultimate sofa that turns your living room into a showstopper. This is not just a sofa, it's a statement piece that combines timeless style with unbeatable comfort. Its classic design features rounded edges and generously sized armrests that invite you to sink in and relax. The deep pocket spring seat feels like a soft embrace, the kind that makes you want to stay seated forever. The woven fabric, dyed in subtle, complementary tones, adds a sophisticated texture that elevates your space. You can even customize it with different covers and two-leg color options to make it truly yours. Plus, the craftsmanship, absolutely top-notch. Step into serenity with the Dejsa table lamp, your ticket to warm, inviting lighting. This isn't just a lamp, it's a piece of art that brings softness and sophistication to any room. Its mouth-blown opal glass shade, yes, it's handcrafted, diffuses the light perfectly, creating a cozy atmosphere that feels like a warm hug. Chrome details add a touch of modern flair, and its compact size makes it perfect for nightstands, side tables, or reading corners. Say hello to understated elegance with the Stockholm Candlestick. This polished stainless steel beauty is as versatile as it is stunning. Its sleek, minimal design pairs clean lines with a sturdy, weighted base. Tånebro, the perfect side table that's as practical as it is stylish. This compact, lightweight table fits seamlessly into any room, whether next to your favorite chair, by the sofa, or even in a cozy reading corner. Its clean, beige-gray design is a subtle showstopper, adding a decorative touch without stealing the spotlight. Need to rearrange? No problem. Tånebro is super easy to move, making it the ultimate flexible companion. And let's talk durability. Its powder-coated steel surface is tough, easy to clean, and built to last. Plus, those self-adjusting feet? They're a genius touch that ensures stability on uneven floors. Glattis, the tray that's all about everyday elegance. Whether you're serving snacks at a party or curating a collection of favorite items, this brass-colored beauty is the perfect stage. The gleaming finish adds a touch of luxury that makes everything look a little more special. But it's not just about the looks. The raised edge ensures everything stays securely in place, while also making the tray easy to carry. It's as practical as it is gorgeous. Perfect for entertaining, decorating, or just adding a little sparkle to your space, Glattis truly shines in every role. This isn't just a tray, it's an invitation to elevate the everyday. The Äleby swivel chair, where comfort, style, and functionality come together. Imagine leaning back with perfect balance. This chair makes it happen. With its adjustable tilt tension, you can customize the resistance to match your movements and weight. Whether you want to recline for ultimate relaxation or lock it in place for a focused sit, Äleby gives you total control. Lean back, relax, and let the Havberg armchair and ottoman take care of you. This isn't just furniture, it's your new favorite spot. The timeless design and that rich gray-black fabric? Oh, it's a perfect match for any space. And let's talk comfort. The seat cushion is filled with soft, cozy foam that feels like an embrace every time you sit. But wait, it's not just comfy, it's also smart. The swivel function lets you turn effortlessly to grab the remote, a snack, or simply soak in the view. Durable, hard-wearing, and easy to assemble, Havberg is here to bring style, flexibility, and relaxation to your home. Havsta nesting tables, functionality meets Scandinavian charm. Whether you use them together or apart, these tables are a win for any home. Made of solid pine with a brushed, rustic surface, they bring natural charm and character to your space. The Havsta console table, elegance and practicality in one. With its rustic solid pine design, this table brings warmth and charm to any space. Its Scandinavian simplicity means it blends effortlessly with your existing decor, whether it's in the hallway, behind the sofa, or even in a cozy corner. And let's not forget the functionality. The practical shelf with high edges keeps your essentials tidy and the top free for stylish decor. From family photos to chic vases, this console table is perfect for displaying your personal touch. Compact, timeless, and versatile, Havsta is ready to make your home both stylish and organized. Ready to channel your inner chef or juice enthusiast? The Korken sifter and funnel set makes it so easy. Whether you're turning your garden's fruits into delicious juice or making the perfect infusion, this three-piece set is your secret weapon. Made of durable stainless steel, it's ready for all your kitchen adventures, and yes, it's dishwasher safe. Calling all coffee lovers. Meet Överst, your eco-friendly, flavor-packed coffee hero. This stainless steel filter is reusable, saving trees and your wallet. But here's the best part. Those tiny holes let the coffee's natural oils shine, giving your brew a rich, full flavor you'll love. It works with just about anything, a mug, a carafe, or even a vacuum flask. And cleanup? A breeze, thanks to its clever three-part design. If you're serious about coffee and care about the planet, Överst is the filter you've been waiting for. Ängsblåvinge tea infuser. Take a break and savor the moment with Ängsblåvinge. This stainless steel tea infuser is simple, sturdy, and designed to make your tea time a joy. Its playful yet practical design fits any mood, any mug, and any occasion. From the perfect steep to an easy cleanup, this infuser has you covered. So go ahead, grab your favorite tea, sit back, and enjoy. Because with Ängsblåvinge, every sip is a little moment of happiness. Say goodbye to spills and hello to stress-free tea time with Ljudlös. This clever infuser hangs on your mug's edge, letting your tea brew to perfection. And the best part? Once it's done, it sits neatly in its holder, keeping your surfaces clean and tidy. It's practical, it's chic, and it's a total game changer for tea lovers. Transform your windows with the Bekräfta curtain rod set, all in one and absolutely stunning. This set has everything you need, from the rod to the finials and brackets. That brass finish? So elegant, it adds instant sophistication to your space. It's flexible too. Use the connector for longer rods or mount it close to the ceiling for a grand look. Bekräfta isn't just a curtain rod, it's the key to a flawless window display. Syrlig curtain rings, small but mighty. These brass-colored beauties glide effortlessly across your curtain rod, making your drapery dreams come true. Whether you prefer clips or hooks, Syrlig gives you both options. And that quiet sliding action? It's like magic. No noisy distractions, just smooth, stylish curtains every time. Syrlig is the little detail that makes a big difference. Curtains around corners? Yes, it's possible with Vidga. This single-track system is flexible, easy to install, and perfect for tricky spaces. Plus, the corner connectors help block light on the sides for a cozier feel. Cut it to size, customize it to your space. Vidga makes your curtain setup totally stress-free. Meet Ombonad, a serving plate so gorgeous, you'll want to use it for everything. The sleek gray glass design is minimalist yet bold, making it perfect for dinner parties, casual get-togethers, or even as a decorative centerpiece. Use it for fruit, snacks, or just let it sit pretty on your table. Ombonad is more than a plate. The Viskafors sofa, where comfort meets class. This sofa is a statement piece, with its rounded edges, deep seat, and gorgeous brown leather that ages beautifully over time. That seat, it's like a hug, soft, inviting, and perfect for lounging. And the craftsmanship, impeccable. Whether you're entertaining or just relaxing, Viskafors makes every moment feel luxurious. Wasn't that incredible? 20 IKEA products that are functional, stylish, and just what your home needs. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. I can't wait to hear from you. And don't forget, all the links are in the description so you can check them out right now. Thank you for watching. See you next time for more home inspiration.